Oh yeah. What's up guys, welcome to Blake's Garage. Today we're gonna be working on the M4. I got a sick little upgrade for the front end of this thing. Now I already have the carbon fiber like front splitters. I got the carbon fiber front M performance style front lip. We wrapped the grill so it looks all black. It's looking pretty badass, but I have another upgrade for the front here that I think is gonna look pretty damn good. I've seen it on a few other cars recently, basically some American cars, but I think it'd be pretty sick looking on the M4. It's one of those upgrades that I haven't seen anyone do yet, so I think it's pretty original. Let's try it out. All right, so I got a little bit of this yellow vinyl, handy dandy razor blade. I think I might want some Knifeless tape. It might make it look a little bit cleaner, so let me grab that. I got more parts for the S52 guys. I got a bunch of stuff in the mail. I'll be doing an unboxing on this ASAP. Got a whole bunch of stuff back here, so don't worry, it's happening. And if you guys haven't seen my videos, that's for the Birdie 30 S52 swap coming up. I think as far as the Knifeless tape goes, stuff's pretty cool. If you guys have ever seen this, when you wrap some stuff, this is gonna be like a sick little cosmetic upgrade. So I wanna do it right. I wanna make it look clean so it can last a long freaking time. That way everybody can be like, where'd you get that? It's so freaking sick, dude. Get that at the dealership? That come with the car or what, man? Yeah, wait a minute. Probably like here, vinyl, about that much. It should be pretty easy for you guys to replicate if you wanna do it. Gonna be cheaper than what some of the other people are doing as well, so that's always nice. It's gonna be pretty good right there. Okay, yeah, that looks about right. Pretty clean right there. Not too bad. Yeah, if I squeegee that, that'll help. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Gonna impress those Dodge boys. I know it. SRT ain't gonna have nothing on this M4. See if I can do this one a little better. I may redo the other one because I don't know, couple little wrinkles in it. No big deal, you know. I may redo it. I don't know, it looks about like how all the other cars do. So I don't really know if it needs redone or not. Oh, hell yes. Hell yes. Some SRT in the making. We got some freaking Mopar action going on right here. I don't know, I'm thinking the car won't hit the front lip now that I have these installed, so that's great because if I scrape it on anything like parking blocks, just, you know, hard park it super hard, that's gonna, well, it's gonna protect the carbon fiber, right? I can take driveways super fast now, and it just looks badass. Like, oh, if this thing was plum purple or like green or something, might look a little better, but I'll have a little bit of vinyl left over. I actually thought of another mod that I can do with this, which still, again, I haven't seen anybody do. Car has some crappy carbon fiber roof on it, and I mean, who wants carbon on your car? Looks like shit. So I'm thinking, because this is an M car in performance, it needs a little more performance, and what better to do that than a vinyl racing stripe? This is the easiest way to lay it out. That way you get it like nice and straight on the car. Make that pretty nice. Pretty sure with the sun tomorrow, that should kind of even out. This vinyl has the air release, so I think it should be pretty good like that on the carbon fiber. This will air release tomorrow. Pretty much. I guess I can push it down. This way, because this is gonna draw a little more attention with the cops. Not that the orange car doesn't already. That is fire. Yes. Car is fully modded now. I hope you guys like these new little upgrades. let me know down below in the comments. I think the air release should work pretty well, so good on it for that. I'm glad it has that. And yeah, maybe tell some Mopar guys to take that shit off. It's horrible. April Fools, guys. Later. Wrench on.